Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wise Business, manage international payments step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in wise.com and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first input field. In the second input field, type in your password. If you prefer a secure login, consider checking the Keep Me Logged In option. After entering your credentials, click on the login button beneath the fields. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Wise Business dashboard. From here, you can manage your international payments effortlessly. To initiate a payment, look for the Send Money option, usually on the left sidebar. Click on Send Money to begin the process. Enter the recipient's details, including their email address or bank account information. Specify the amount you wish to send and select the currency. Review all the details to ensure they are correct. Once verified, click on the Continue button to proceed. You may need to choose your payment method, such as bank transfer or card payment. Follow any additional prompts for verification if required. After reviewing the transaction summary, click on Confirm to finalize your payment. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation notification. Your Wise Business account is now set up for managing international payments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.